Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel BaluMaster. Today I am going to discuss 10 tips about before facing your exam. Let's start our video. Point number 1. You have to keep your mind fresh and be peaceful as possible you can. Point number 2. Minimum 6 hours sleep is required and take proper food and please avoid junk food. Coming to point number 3, revision part. Only recap what you studied previously and refer well-known topics to you. Point number 4, don't touch your books before 1 hour of the exam. If you want to study, just recap the major topics with your mind. Point number 5, don't bother about your exam paper and also don't think about your exam invigilator whether strict or not. And also most important point, you should reach your examination center before 2 hours. Point number 6, if you arrange your things like hall ticket and all accessories before night, then your morning will be so easy for you. Point number 7, self-confidence is very important and also you have to motivate yourself. Point number 8, please don't be hurry-burry before exam and say a big no to exam fever. Be confident, be alert. Coming to point number 9, be focused on your exam. Please don't let coming to unnecessary discussion in your mind. Point number 10, last but not least, you have your own mind map for all what you are doing. A perfect mind map may reach your goal successfully. Yes friends, these are all the 10 tips to follow for your exam, and finally you done everything you can. So be focused, be determined, be hopeful. You are going to rock your exam tomorrow. All the very best friends, wishing you a very good luck. Thank you so much friends. Thanks a lot.